Ever wondered what would happen if Celine Dion was a witness to Jack and Rose's iconic love story on the Titanic? Um, that's the delightful premise behind the hit West End musical Titanic. And now prepare for a splash of comedy gold. The Olivier Award-winning show is about to welcome a very special guest. Comedian Tom Allen is joining the cast this spring. He fell in love with the show's unique blend of laughter and playful parody after seeing it himself. Titanique recently celebrated its first anniversary at London's Criterion Theatre. Uh, it retells the classic tale with a wonderfully campy twist. Um, Imagine Celine Dion observing uh, all the drama unfold from March 4th to April 12th, 2026. Alan will take on the role of Rose's mother, Ruth. Get ready for a hilariously over the top performance that's sure to steal the show. He's understandably thrilled to be making his West End debut. Alan shared his excitement, saying he was instantly hooked by the show's humor and energy. He couldn't resist joining the talented cast and preparing for his lifeboat drill. Hopefully there are enough lifeboats for everyone. The show already boasts a stellar cast, including Luke Baer as Jack, Richard Carson as Cal, and Astrid Harris as Celine Dion. Leighton Williams' performance as the iceberg even earned him a Best Actor award. Titanic is currently booking shows until June 7th, 2026. But with rave reviews and awards piling up, it's likely to extend its run. It's a must-see for anyone who loves a good laugh and a touch of musical theater magic. Um, Alan won't be appearing on March 24th or between April 3rd and 5th. Be sure to check the dates and secure your tickets quickly. It's going to be a voyage you won't forget. Speaking of the Titanic, did you hear about the comedian who tried to tell a joke about the iceberg? Which it completely bombed. Hopefully, Tom Allen's performance will be a much warmer reception. And with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.